Get out of here, man. You need the wolf. You need the brush. Wolf, brush, brush, wolf, brush, brush. Then you can wear a do-rag.
Watch the full video, please.
What's up, everybody? 360 Juice here, back with another video for you guys. And today I'm gonna be reacting to ASAP Ferg teaching me. He gonna be teaching me how to tie my do-rag the right way. You feel me? He gonna teach me some stuff about waves. You feel me? An elite waver. I think I'm an elite waver. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments, man. But yeah, y'all see in the background, that's my second channel. Y'all go check it out. Link is down in my description. Please go subscribe for your boy. We just hit 10,000 subscribers on that channel, so I really appreciate everybody who subscribed. I'm so grateful for you guys. But without further ado, enough talking. Let's just jump right into this video.
They ain't sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Boom, guys, this video is brought to you by Coldest Water. Alright, they hit me up, you feel me? Send me this in a package, you feel me? Summer's around the corner, alright? So if you got like a cold bath, you feel me, cold beverage, put that in there, it's gonna stay cold for the whole day, alright? Matter of fact, let me see this youngster. Oh, what the? Oh, that's how they keep it cold, cause they done shield. Okay, there we go. Let me see if it's still cold. Bro, I had this junk in since this morning. It's still cold. Alright, summer is upon us, guys. Matter of fact, it's spring. Spring is first. But yeah, y'all go check that out. Got everything you need to know in the description. And of course, you know I had to get a discount code for y'all, man. 360 Juice. Well, at least I think that's what it is. Well, whatever. It's in the description, alright? Y'all go check it out. Go get your Coldest Water. Use discount code 360 Juice to get, I don't even know how much you get off of this, man. Come on. Y'all just go check it out, man. Let me know what y'all think. Alright, y'all, so we got ASAP Ferg, how to tie a do-rag according to ASAP Ferg / GQ. Alright, shout out to GQ for this video. Definitely gotta like the video, you feel me? But I'm not sure I'm gonna subscribe because I don't really know, you know, what they upload. I gotta do some more research on them. But yeah, big shout out to them. I'm gonna have the link to their video. Alright, all rights go to them. Okay, this is not my video. Please don't copyright me, guys. Please. I'm just trying to help my subscribers out. Educational purposes, please. Alright, I'm tired of getting copyrighted, guys. Alright, so we're about to watch ASAP Ferg talk about how to tie a do-rag and potentially teach us some stuff about waves. Alright, so it's a 6-minute video. Watch the whole thing. If you guys want to go show some support to GQ, y'all go do that. Leave a subscribe, leave a like. But yeah, I'm gonna have all that linked in my description. But yeah, let's jump right into it, man. Hey, play.
Hey, what's up, world? It's ASAP Ferg.
ASAP Ferg, what up, man? Big support, man. Support, I'm supporting. No hating, none of that. Alright, this is all for educational purposes. Whatever I say, I'm just critiquing. Okay? I'm just critiquing. No hating, none of that. Let's get it.
Man, hook Paul. I'm gonna teach you how to get some.
Pause. Hold up. Come on, Coldest Water. Get your Coldest Water. What you waiting on? Hold up. It's starting to get hot, man. Y'all need to go get this. And y'all need to go subscribe to my channel. Let's get it. I hope this music not copyright. I'm gonna mute it just in case though. Alright, let's get it.
When I was about 7, 8 years old. I'm definitely an expert. I just remember.
Okay. I'm about to go up a notch. He said he an expert. You an expert at tying your do-rag or you an expert at waves? Maybe I heard that wrong. Let's keep going.
Obsessed with my hair. That was when I first started getting into like grooming myself and actually caring what people thought about what I look like. You know, I got used to the compliments. I like the compliments from the ladies.
You know, you always gotta, you gotta groom yourself. You gotta make sure you're straight. You gotta make sure your beard. I need to take care of my beard though, but yeah. Besides that, you gotta make sure everything is straight. When it comes to waves, man, you get that unrag and everybody compliments you. There's nothing better than that, man. You feel me? You gotta take care of your hair, my guy. Take care of that.
Do-rag is not necessary when there's time to show the waves off. Do-rag is magical when you take it off. That's
exactly. On TikTok, they become crazy at me. Oh, you always wanted a do-rag, this and that. Well, look, this and that. Take the do-rag off. Not yet.
Magic happens and you get to show the waves off. I'm an expert. So
oh, he about to show the waves? Let me see your waves, man.
Any mirror, anything. I just kind of look.
Hold up. Is he spinning though? Give me a second, y'all. ASAP, Ferg, waves. Get out of here, man. You need the wolf. You need the brush. Once again, I'm not hating, alright? I'm just critiquing, guys. Come on. Wolf, brush, wolf, brush. Then you can wear a do-rag. I don't want to see you wearing a do-rag if you're not doing none of that. Because by the looks of it, look like he brushed a little bit, but he lacking with the wolf. Alright, ASAP Ferg, you definitely need to step up your game, man. You ain't no expert waver, man. Step up your game, man. Maybe that was old though. It's probably old, and he probably a lot better now, but that's the only picture they had up. But I'm just gonna mute this because I don't want to hear no music, bro. No copyrights. Dang, man, should I let the music play? Cause I can't hear him.
And then you take your
Nah, I'm cutting it off. No music. All right. Definitely, the flaps gotta be, you know, flat. All right, they gotta be flat. All right, come back around. Okay. All right, he got that. All right, if I get copyrighted, I get copyrighted. Cause I gotta hear what he's saying.
Give it a little tug so it's nice and tight.
Yeah, you definitely need that little pull right there, so the do-rag could just fit snug and everything.
Make sure it's aligned. And you're lit.
You're lit.
First, you have to brush your hair, right? Brush it.
That's most definitely.
This is a Diane brush. It's a really good brush because the bristles, they're very compact.
That look like a soft brush. That soft brush ain't gonna get you no waves, man.
And it's a lot of bristles. That means that it gives you a good brush. Then after...
My man said it's a lot of bristles. It give you a good brush. If a brush gives me a good brush, then I don't want it. I need a brush that's gonna give me a good pull, so my waves could come in. I'm trying to be spinning, man.
You brush your hair. You wash your hair. This is like a...
Hold up. How you go from brushing to washing? You gotta go from brushing to products to washing. Because you can't wash your hair if you don't got no products in it. You feel me? You gotta add the products so that you could be able to wash your hair. You feel me? I mean, you could still wash your hair without the products because you know you got some dirt, sweat build up over time, but you still need to add the products in. Play, man.
Dove shampoo kind of thing.
Dove? I don't use Dove. You use Dove? Let me know. Who else use Dove in this?
Pretty much any soap you have. You just kind of apply it to your hair when your hair is really white. You take...
Hold on, what you did? What you said?
Pretty much any soap you have. You just kind of apply it to your hair when your hair is really white. You take the brush again.
He talking about lather? Hold up, let me hear it again.
You just kind of apply it to your hair when your hair is really white.
Bruh, come on, get out of here. That's lather, man. You need your hair to be lathery. That's called lather. When your hair is really white. Lather. I be telling y'all lather, man. He even talking about lather. You need your hair to lather up so you could brush that junk.
You take the brush again.
You take the brush and go in with the lather.
And you brush your waves back into place because you putting the soap in.
There you go.
Get all fuzzy and messed up. But you're going to brush it right back into place.
I would tell you guys to use a detangling shower brush before you go in with the brush, because when you use a detangling shower brush with the lather in your hair, it actually detangles your hair, and it's much easier that way. All right, it's optional though. It's optional. You don't have to use it, but I'll advise it. So just use that.
Fall right in the line like a puzzle. Then you gonna start seeing your waves.
And one thing he didn't say, you have to use a mirror. You need that mirror so you won't be all forked. F-O-R-K-E-D. Forked up. A lot of forks. Okay.
Then you take the grease. This is 360 style.
I'm confused.
This is like
it's like he going backwards.
Both kind of beeswax kind of grease. But when you rub it on your hand, it gets really shiny like an oil. You can see it shine like on my hand. And you just take enough grease to make sure you get the whole front.
Wait, did he rinse the shampoo out yet? I'm not sure. I don't know. What you doing, ADAP?
Both sides.
Ferg, what you doing?
In the back. I like to split my
Okay.
parts. You gotta make sure you get the side, start from the top. Make sure you get the whole front, start from the top, and the whole back. And then brush. You brush. I used to say, when I first started brushing my hair, 100 times on each side.
Pause. We don't do that over here. We don't count strokes, man. We just brush. Alright? Brush until you feel like you did enough brushing. You can brush all day. We ain't doing 100 strokes per side. We not doing that.
Right, 100 times on
Team Juice, we ain't doing that.
left, 100 times in the front, 100 times in the back. But then I got so into it, I just said, I'm gonna brush my head and my hair until my arm get tired.
Exactly. That's how you gotta do it. Brush till your arms fall off. I mean, get tired.
My waves really start coming in real nice. Very shiny, very...
I'm not too sure about that, ADAT. Hold up. Bruh, come on, man. I'm not too sure about that, ADAT. ADAT, come on, man. ASAP. You need work, man.
While you have the grease and you have the soap still in your hair, and you brush till your arms is tired, and your hands is damn near has 6 packs from brushing so much.
Exactly, that's how you gotta do it, man.
Do-rag on very tightly and only silky. You only can use the
Silky, alright? Get your 2/6 King Wavy do-rags, link in my description. Alright, you use silky so your hair could be shiny, laid, silky, alright? Silk do-rags, link in my description.
do-rag. There is a such thing as a fake do-rag. It's called polyester do-rags.
I ain't gonna lie, when I first started waving in high school, I used to use polyester, cotton. I used to use that, cause I ain't know no better. But y'all got me though, alright? I got some do-rags for y'all, 15% off. Link in my description. Use discount code JUICE15 to get 15% off.
Not do. What's bad about poly is you're gonna get joked on by my friends.
Exactly.
You only do silk. Shout out to Silk
I
City.
used to get joked on too, so don't feel bad.
Polyester do-rags is just bad.
I deserved it.
It rubs me the wrong way. It doesn't make your wave silky at all.
If I'm being honest, there's nothing wrong with poly. You can use it. It still lays your hair down. It just doesn't give your hair that shine that a silk do-rag would give you. Okay, you can still use a poly and double compress and still get that lay that you're looking for. All right, don't get me wrong. It still gets the job done. But a silky, if you really want to be elite, professional, silky is where to go. It's only like $2 at the store. And if you want to get the premium dope silk, link in my description.
With the silk do-rag, that's what it does. It makes your hair very silky. You only know it's a silk when you have a different colored thread on the middle and on the piping is different colors. That's how you know you got a silky. So you put your silky on real tight.
Yep.
You get in the shower, wash the soap.
Hold up, what? Wait a minute. Wait. I thought we had the grease in our hair already. Wait, hold up. Wait, so he washed his hair, he put the grease on with the lather, and then he's gonna rinse the hair out now? I'm confused. Wait, start over.
On the middle and on the piping is different colors. That's how you know you got a silky. So you put your silky on real tight. You either get in the shower, wash the soap in there.
He still got the soap in his hair. I thought this whole time he ain't had no soap. He's talking about putting the grease on. You guys, don't put no grease on your hair with the soap. I understand if you put like a little bit of oil, then rinse it out, but don't put no freaking grease, pomade in your hair with the soap and then go in. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Hey, ASAP, what you doing?
Out with the do-rag on, or you can just kind of get a wet rag or run your head under the faucet.
Okay, everything sounds good except for adding the pomade into your hair. I don't know if that's how you said it. Maybe I'm just confused. I'm confused, guys. All right, I'm just confused. But yeah, he talking some facts now. Now he's saying rinse the shampoo out of your hair with the do-rag on your head. All right, so that's true.
Like a wet rag to kind of place it and use it as a sponge to kind of get all the soap.
Wait a minute. What did he say?
On the middle
I'm sorry, y'all.
And on the piping is different colors. That's how you know you got
What just happened, yo? My junk just went down to 360.
a silky. So you put your silky on real tight. You either get in the shower, wash the soap and everything out with the do-rag on, or you can just kind of get a wet rag or run your head.
He said or. So there's two options, all right? So the first option is to go in the shower and rinse it out with the do-rag on. What's the second option?
Under the faucet, get like a wet rag to kind of place it and use it as a sponge to kind of get all the soap out. Because what happens is when you keep the do-rag on very tight and in place, the grease doesn't come out when the soap comes out.
What? No. That's why we have conditioners, guys. The grease is gonna come out with the shampoo, and you can't put shampoo and grease in your hair at the same time because the shampoo, it takes away moisture, and the pomade doesn't add moisture to your hair. This doesn't make sense, guys. Don't try it. Don't add grease and shampoo to your hair at the same time, and then try to rinse out the shampoo and make sure that if you rinse out the shampoo, the grease is gonna come out with it. It's not gonna leave the shampoo. No, I don't approve. Don't do it.
Flush all the soap out and the grease remains in your hair. And
ain't no way the shampoo gonna come out and the grease stays in your hair. If that's what you're doing a bad job. Because the purpose of the shampoo is to take out all the grease, all the products, and all the dirt. That's the goal of the shampoo. There's no way that the shampoo is gonna come out and the grease is gonna stay in your hair, guys.
the hot, steamy water.
Again, I'm not hating. I'm like being Gordon Ramsay right now.
That's what's gonna make your hair really wavy and curly. Waves is nothing but curls that's laid down.
Facts. Curls that are laid down. Those are waves.
Because of the soap do-rag. When you finish washing all the soap out your hair with the do-rag on, if you have a blow dryer, you can use a blow dryer to kind of dry your hair.
You could definitely do that, but I like to wait 4 hours. You could also wait 4 hours for your hair to dry naturally.
The do-rag, if you got time to spare, you reading a book or you studying or you doing homework, you could kind of just let it dry by itself.
Yes, sir.
Within an hour or so, you can take the do-rag off, and voila.
And voila. Yes, sir.
Waves. This is like a little cherry on top. You ask.
I don't use that. I don't know if you do, but I personally don't use that.
Pink lotion. I take a little bit of grease on one palm, I take a little pink lotion on another palm, blend it together. That's my own blend. It does something magical for me. I don't know if it can do the same for you, but I like to do it.
It ain't gonna do that. Whatever it did to you, it's not gonna do that for me. I know that.
The hair all 4 times, brush till my arms get tired again, then put the do-rag back on when it's dry.
I want to know what type of brush he's using, because he keeps saying brush till my arm get tight. Is he using a soft brush, a hard brush, or a medium brush? Because I'm not sure.
Work wonders. Once you take that do-rag off, I keep my do-rag on in the car all the way to the front of the red carpet. And then when it's time to take that do-rag off, I hit the red carpet. You know, paparazzi is going crazy. My eyebrows is on fleek.
Okay, that's it. That's it. Alright, y'all. ASAP Ferg has some good points. He has some bad points that I would not approve of. Alright. As a 5-year waiver, I've been waving for 5 years now, going to 6. I agree with some things that he said, but when it comes to the washing part that he was telling y'all to do, don't do that. Don't add no pomade into your hair with the shampoo and then try to rinse out the shampoo and thinking that the pomade is gonna stay in. That's just wasting pomade and just wasting time. Okay, don't try that. If you guys want to do a washing style, there's a lot of washing style videos on YouTube. Jeezy got some washing style videos. I got a couple washing style videos myself. Waveman Mike got a couple washing style videos. Sir Cruz, come on, man. Poppy Blasted got washing style videos. Watch those videos, and you're gonna get a lot from those. All right. ASAP Ferg, don't listen to that. Don't do it. All right. Again, no hating. All right. I really appreciate all the stuff that he said because he was really trying to help us out, man. If I was a beginner, listen to him, I would definitely try. But I'm not a beginner. But all my beginners that's watching right now, if you ever watched this video, if you did watch this video, I don't approve, okay? Don't try any of that washing. The washing part, don't try it. Everything else, you could give it a try and experience it and see how it works for you. But the washing part, don't do it, all right? That's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you guys enjoyed, please make sure, I almost dropped the water bottle. God, jeez. I just got this too, guys. If you guys enjoyed, please make sure to leave a like, comment if you're new to the channel. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button for your boy. And we will see you guys in our next video. Peace.